Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another rather unusual wildcard video. I've promised to do this for quite a while, and since my wife has finally recovering after surgery, I'm in the position to actually do it with her help. So what we have here is all the ingredients you need for Roman military bread, the Panis Militaris, as the legionary, or rather in this case, the officers ate it back then, 2000 years ago. So what do we have here? Well, this is whole grain spelt and rye flour. Here we have dry red wine from Tuscany. Thought that would be fitting for legionary food. This is yeast, dry yeast in this case. We have honey and some flaxseed. And on top of that, this is actually, thanks to my wife, salt from the Alps. So I thought a bit more localized stuff actually from Italy would be fitting for this. Alright, then let's begin setting this up. I will put the recipe and how I did it in the description. Alright, so this was my attempt at recreating Roman military bread officer style with a bit of red wine for the flavor and olive oil. This won't be my only attempt. I'm actually going to try to make the far more rough bread the actual Legionaries ate while being on the march, which is made from spelt grist and salt and water, and that's about it. As far as I have understood it, it's basically been baked in the flames of the campfire, or rather the last glowing rest of it, and hot stones. I'm not sure how I can recreate that, but I think I will find a way, so yeah, look forward to that one to get the real Roman legionary experience in terms of bread. Very simple to make, but probably not as simple for me since I have no experience with this kind of bread. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, if you haven't already, please consider clicking like and subscribe, and hopefully see you soon on another video. Bye bye!